Hello my lovelies and welcome to another crafting week. So this is our last part. This is the finished Halloween journal, my Halloween journal for 2022 using David's Halloween kits, and we'll leave the links down below. The Gothic Halloween. So this is going to be the giveaway, and it will be drawn on the 31st of October, which is Halloween proper Halloween, and you have to be over 18 to take part. And I'd like you to put the word spooky into your comments. So somewhere in your comment you need to incorporate the word spooky, so the randomizer can pick that text up. I won't be answering any of them, as you know. I usually try to answer all comments because that's lovely that people bother to comment, and I like to engage with you. But I'm just going to put a heart on these so it doesn't muck up the randomizer. Okay, so exciting. Decided in the end, I ummed and ahed, and we've put some rings as a binder on this, which is unusual for me, and you know, I like it. I'm going to do more of them. I found one of these left from last year, and this is one of the elements from the kit. You see Frankenstein there, and I put him on some card and glossy accent, and it's got blood. It's a blood bulb pin. So, quick flick through. Got a pocket there. We've got a lovely tag, lovely big tag there. Got Gargoyle, he's on watch. Neighbourhood Watch, he's the Neighbourhood Watch guy. Lovely big journal card there. So you can do all sorts. You could put photos in, draw, scribble, paint, write. I love this, one of my faves, that. Then we've got tuck spot, and we've got a couple of little tags in there. These are all from the kit, and also a lot of the kit is being made with real life photographs from Whitby. So Whitby is where Bram Stoker wrote Dracula, and this coming weekend they will have a big goth weekend at Whitby Pavilion. There's about 3,000 people turn up, all in their Victorian regalia. Lovely card there. Pocket there. Got a little booklet there. And a tag. Lovely big tag there. I love these big tags. Fabulous size. He's watching this spider, so it better beware. There we go. This was our little waterfall tag flippy thingy. Just tucks in there. Belly band, and then we've got 2 journal cards in there. In the centre, so we've got journal card. I've got a tag on there. Here we have just try to get it out without, that's it. So this just fits in there and slots in there. My excuse for a bat. Oh dear. Lovely. I just love this. Just love. David spent a lot of time doing this kit. So we've got a lovely pocket there, and we have some, again, 2 big journal cards. Another one there. This is the foot that we did with the little dangles. We're in the graveyard now. And then in here, a lovely big journaling card, which is actually, that is a view down a street in Whitby looking at Whitby Abbey. So real authentic imagery that's been used in these kits. Here we've got a little clip on there, and that opens up, and we've got a journaling card in there. Oh well, is that right? Yeah, put that on there, then clip that closed. That's got some little dangles on there. The other half of the lovely skull, that's supposed to be clipped in there. I don't want to give it away now. Love it, love it. Again, this is Whitby. And then we've got some tickets and bits and bobs in that pocket there. So plenty for you to be playing with, crafting, journaling with. Head gargoyle, as I'm stopping Dracula getting out that coffin. 2 wonderful big journal cards there. And that is the back. And then we've got a big pocket there, and we have a big tag there with a ball pin with a little, there's a crow there. I don't like crows, they give me the heebie-jeebies, horrible black things, black dirty birds. I can't get that in now. It's that crow. That crow's stopping me from putting it in because I called it. There we are, let me utchy it down. Utch it down. So that is first prize in the giveaway. Love it. And then second prize, we've got 2 little packs of ephemera and bits and bobs to use up. And some of David's avocado paper there, and then also these lovely little itty bitty books that David made with the kit in miniature size. So that is second prize, runner up as they say. Okay then lovelies, so there we are, there's the giveaway. I will draw it on the 31st of October, which is Halloween week today, and you've got to be over 18, and you've got to put the word spooky into your comments. Good luck to everybody, and I'll see you next video. Ha 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 ha.